Hello everyone! Samahan niyo kami sa Country Inn and Suites by Radisson, Beijing West Station, North Square Hotel. Tara, let's go! Okay, so baggage claim counter number 37. Our first authentic Chinese food. Everyone's just so hungry. Let's eat. So dito pa rin to sa airport and look at the food we ordered.
Just follow.
This is our ride going to our hotel.
I don't care.
I feel bad for the guy.
So we got this for 500 CNY.
4,300.
Yeah, actually mas mura kung nagdidi pero mukhang nagmamadali asawa ko. It's a nice big van going to our hotel, so I guess it's okay. Plus we have 5 big luggage.
Sinasakyan kasi natin sa
Anong oras na ba?
Did you know it's just like 6:45?
6:45 pero.
But it's so dark.
So tingnan nyo guys ang Beijing. Napakalinis. Very nice. Yan, so we're actually near our so katapat lang namin yung railway station, I think. So medyo nawawala lang kami, hindi namin makita yung place kasi it's not pinned in di ba?
Ayan o, yung country. Ayan o.
Kaliwa?
Kita ko na. Oo.
Where?
It's just there. Kita ko na. He needs to take a U-turn. Kailangan
Yeah.
niya mag-U-turn.
So nandun na. Kita na?
Yeah. Kita ko. It's literally katabi nga yung railway station. Hindi katabi.
Ito na ba?
Ayan, nakapag-U-turn na kami.
Asa na?
So katabi natin talaga yung railway station, di ba? Ayun, nakita na rin. Ayun, kasi the hotel, parang
Ito.
Yes.
nakashare siya sa isang building. Ayun na. So there it is,
Maliit
Country
lang
Inn.
pala, no?
Yes, it
Oo.
is. It is really small.
Ayan, finally we're here. So ayan yung Country Inn and Suites by Radisson. Ito yung ride namin. Super bait naman ni Kuya Driver. So ito yung facade ng hotel. So bale nakalocate siya sa isang malaking building. Okay, check-in muna kami. So for 7 nights, we got 2 rooms in this hotel. The deluxe queen room and the deluxe family room. So I paid a total of 65,725.72 centavos for the 2 rooms. Yan, so finotocopy nila lahat ng passports namin. Bayad na to. Yan, so ganyan lang ang reception. Very small, very narrow. Tapos ito yung check-in counter nila. Ganyan lang.
8 floor.
Second.
3.
Second.
3. Yeah. 337. Yeah. Okay.
8th floor. Kasi dalawa lang ang floor ng So dito dalawa lang ang floor ng mga guest rooms. Yan.
337.
Ito yung so inside. Okay. We're on the 3rd floor now. Okay, go. So, may maiksing stairs going up. Short lang naman yung stairs kasi ito yung 3rd floor. Tapos may short na stairs. Oo. Okay. Oh, wow! Look at the hallway. Hindi ko akalain na malaki rin pala to. Okay. So kami ni Daddy dito, kayo doon, ha? Okay. Okay, go. I'll go to your room later.
But it's too bad.
It says our room 83.
This is your room.
37. Ay! Ha?
Search tayo.
Talagang 2 beds ang sa inyo. Okay, mabalik tayo. So, ito yung room namin. Yung hubby. There. Wow, actually, it's nice. It's clean. And, ayan yung bed namin. Ayan yung queen size bed. Pero, feeling ko it's a bit bigger than the regular queen size bed. So, yeah.
Hey, open the door.
Okay, I'll show you the kids' room, ha? Wait. I just wanna, Okay. So, ito naman ang room ng mga kids. So, isang single bed and isang double bed. Actually, it's big. It's nice and it's big and it's maganda. Tapos ito yung TV nila. And then that one. Ito yung parang yung rack nila. Tapos may sofa sila. Okay, this is called the family room. This is the family room. Tapos nandito meron silang desk, may chair.
Gusto ko na bukas yung
And then, okay, what else?
Ang galing ko mamili, no?
Ayan yung curtain. Yung mga control setting for the lights. Tapos, buksan mo nga. Buksan mo, Sam. Buksan mo. Okay.
So different.
Let's show you the bathroom, ha? Kanila na muna since I'm here. So, ito. This is the bathroom. Yung shower.
Also, the bathroom is freaking beautiful.
So, yan. Merong
They really don't lie when you say you can get a cheap hotel in China na super ganda.
And then here.
Oh, I'm biting my finger. My only issue is that there's no bidet. What?
Yan, wala naman siya talagang bidet. So, may comb, may dental kit, may toothbrush. Oh, well.
I doubted those bidets.
Ano ba to? Wala. Hey, yung mga towels, oh.
Ganda.
So, dito sa may, sa may rack nila, clothes rack, meron namang electric kettle, mga tubig, and mga, siguro ano yan, teacups pa yan. Ayan, for your storage. Okay, mag-ayos na kayo ng gamit nyo, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna go to our room. I'll show it to you naman again. Head open. Meron na yun, no? Let me show you around. So, ito, that is the parang open cabinet. This is where you hang your clothes and put your stuff. Tapos ito naman, ayan, may TV. So, ayan yung desk. Meron naman electric kettle. So, binigyan kami ng water. Yan. So, banda dito. Dito yung mga buttons for the TV. First, dito naman yung aircon. Ito yung aircon. Kasi kanina hinahanap namin. So, yan pala yun. And then, may full-length mirror. Tapos dito, ayan.
Basa pa yung
Walang bidet. So, that's the toilet. Tapos, actually, tas ito, yan yung toiletries nila. And then, ayan yung mirror. Meron namang hair dryer. And then, ano to? Foaming soap. Naman yung, ayan yung shower enclosure niya. Oh. So, ito yung shower. Ayan yung shower head. And then, ayan, meron namang shampoo, conditioner, and I think body wash yan eh. Okay, very nice actually. Place is very nice and very clean. Hindi mo akalain na ganun pala kahaba yung hallway pagpasok mo. Kasi sa labas, wala siya talagang lobby. Walang lobby. Wala man lang kung ano-anong arte. Basta, ganun lang. Yung pala, ano pala to, this hotel pala, occupies the second and the third floor of the building. I'll show you the view. So, ito yung view namin. Hotel din siya. May nakapark. So, mag-explore kami sa labas. And see kung anong mga malapit na pwedeng puntahan, kainan, bilhan. Ayan, may katapat pala kami hotel dito. Yan, oh, Beijing Hua Xingmingzhu Hotel. Malaki to na hotel. So anyway, kaya maganda siya because it's managed by the Radisson Group. Pwede na, okay na rin. Lalabas kami within the vicinity of the hotel. Check out na anong mga... Ayan. So, sa katabi lang ng door ng hotel, merong restaurant. Jiahe. And then dito, meron ulit. Actually, hinahanap namin parang 7-Eleven. Ito parang mini grocery. Ito yung malaking hotel, oh. Beijing Hua Xiaming. It's kind of smoggy. Smoggy ba yan or foggy? Not sure about the quality of air right now. But gahanap kami ng 7-Eleven or Lawson or whatever. Kasi gustong uminom ng beer ni husband eh. Yan yung Beijing Railway na malapit lang sa hotel. O, diba? Ang laki. Let's have breakfast. Good morning, everyone. Okay. So, yung breakfast area niya is on the second floor. Let's go to the second floor. Ito pa yung isang area doon, ng third floor doon. Ito, bababa ka dito muna ng konting stairs lang. 4 steps. Take the elevator. And then you go to the second floor. Yan. So, we're here on the second floor. Ito pala yung breakfast area. Kanilang restaurant. It's cute. Good morning. Let's check the food. Eggs, rice, veggies. Oh, siguro mga siomay ito eh. Can you make me one? Breakfast, guys. So hanggang dito na lang muna. Watch out for my next Beijing vlog. This is Nell. Bye!